Hello and welcome to Forex Kamai. I'm your host Salman, and today I'm going to talk about what is Forex. Forex comes from foreign exchange, which is the process of changing one currency to another for a variety of reasons. For example, if a person from UK travels to USA and changes his or her British pound to US dollars, this is a foreign exchange transaction. The foreign exchange market, which is usually known as Forex or FX market, is the largest financial market in the world. And this global financial market allows one to trade currencies. This market also determines the rate of every currency. And only a tiny percentage of transaction happens in the real economy, involving international trade or tourism. Instead, most of the transactions that happen in the global foreign exchange market are bought and sold for speculative reasons. If we are to draw a comparison, the daily volume of the New York Stock Exchange is about $200 billion, whereas the daily volume of the foreign exchange market is $6.6 trillion. The Forex market is open almost 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. And in this market, each currency has a symbol, which comes from the country's name and the country's currency name. Usually, the first two letters indicate the country's name and the third letter indicates the country's currency name. For example, GBP, in which the first two letters are indicating the country's name, Great Britain, and the third letter is indicating the country's currency name, Pound. Currencies in the foreign exchange markets are listed in pairs. For example, GBP USD, in which GBP is the base currency and USD is the code currency. And in this example, if you want to buy 1 British pound, you will have to pay 1.22 US dollars. Now, we are going to talk about the major currency pairs. The major currency pairs are those who are most frequently traded, and there are 7 of them, including Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, AUD USD, and NZD USD. You've probably noticed how often we keep on mentioning US dollars. That is because US dollars is the most frequently traded currency, making it up to 84.9% of all the currency transactions. That's it for today. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to trade Forex, and if you want to start your Forex trading journey today, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Forex Kamai signing out.